Right here, 1845C right here without hydraulic auxiliary. Somebody get 20,000. I'm a 20 down, that would get 20 to bid. I'm at a $20,000 now, 7. I'm at 7 down, that would get 8 down, that would get 9 down, that would get 10, 11. I'm 11 down, that would get now 12. I'm at 12 down, that would get 13. I'm at 14 down, that would get 15. I'm at 15 down, that would get 15. I'm at 14, 15. I'm at 15 down, that would get 14, 15. I'm at 15,000, 16,000, that would get 16. I'm at 15 down, that would get 16 down, that would want to do it. I'm at 15, 16. I'm at 16 down, that would get 15, 16,000. I'm at 15.5. Do you want to get 15.5? How do they want to do that? 15.5, 5 to bid. I'm at $15,000, 15.5 to bid. I'm at 15. Do you want to get 5? Do you want to get 15? Do you want to get 5? I'm at 15.5. I'm at $15,000, 15.5 to bid. I'm at 15. Do you want to get 5? I'm at 15. Do you want to get 5? I'm at 15.5. I'm at $15,000, 15.5 to bid. I'm at $15,000 now, 500. I'm at 15. Do you want to get 5? I'm at 5 where? I'm at $15,000, 15.5 to bid. I'm at $15,000 now, 5 to bid. Do you want to get 2, 2.5? I'm at $15,000, 2, 2.5. I'm at $15,000 now. Do you want to get 2? Do you want to get 2.5? I'm at $15,000. Want to get 2, 250. All in and all done. Anybody else at $15,000, 2.5? I'm at $15,000, 2, 2.5. I'm at $15,000. Guys, you need a good skid loader and you want a low-hourred one. You help yourself. You completely 100% help yourself. And I'm selling it with the bucket. Normally, a lot of times you wouldn't buy a skid loader. I'm letting you have the bucket. I felt generous. 15 to 2.5. I'm at a 2.5. Now 5. I'm at a 15, 5, 7.5. I'm at a 15, 5, 15, 7.5. I'm at a 15. I'm at $16,000, 2.5. I'm at 16, 2, 2.5. I'm at a 2 down, I'm at a 5. I'm at 16, 5, 7. I did you get 7.5. Now 17. I'm at 17 down, that I would get 17. I'm at 17. Do you want to get 17? I'm at 17 down, that I would get 17. Do you want to do it? I'm at 17 down, that I would get 17. I'm at 16, 7, have it now 17. I'm at $17,000. I'm at 17 now. Do you want to get 17? I'm at 17 down, that I would get 16, 8. I'll do that. Does he want to do that? 16, 8 bid. I'm at 8. Do you want to get 8? 8 to bid. I'm at 16, 8. Do you want to get 8 where? I'm at 800. I'm at 8. 8 to bid. I'm at 8. Do you want to get 8? Now 17. I'm at 17 down, that I would get now 2, 2.5. I'm at 17, 2.5. I'm at 2, 2.5. 5 to bid. 5, 7.5. 17, 7.5. 18. I'm at 18, 2, 2.5. I'm at 18, 2.5. I'm at 18, 2.5. 5, 7.5. That's good. 18, 7.5. I'm at 500. I got 18.5 right here. 7.5. Make sure we're together. You with me? How? You with me? I'm in the gray sweatshirt. 18.5, 7.5. I'm at 18.5, 7.5. I'm at 18.5, 7.5. I'm at 18.5, 7.5. Did you get 750? I'm at 18.5, 18, 7.5. I'm at 500. Other get 7.5. A bit of bone in. Y'all done? How? Sold it. 18.5 right here. Good friend on the floor. 82 the buyer. 82. 18.5. Now we have case forks. Lot number 4 is a set of case forks. All right here. Take it again to buy the next one right there. Buy the forks. Oh my, take it right here. Here we get there now. Take it again. Here we get now. Buy the case forks. Somebody get $1,000. I'm a $1,000. That we get down to bid. I'm a $1,000. That we get 500.
Hey Brian. Brian.
I'm a 200. I'm get 3 bid. It's in the back of the auction trailer. It's in the back of the auction trailer.
It says this item selling.
Hey sir, $300 on the case fork. $300, $400. Who did bid 4, 5? I'm at 500. I'm gonna get 500. Bid down 600. I'm gonna get 5 now 6. 600. I'm gonna do it. I'm at 500. I'm gonna get 6. 6 to bid. I'm at 500. I'm gonna get 600. I'm gonna get 500. I'm gonna get 600. I'm gonna get 500. $600. I'm at 500. I'm gonna get 6. 6 to bid. I'm at 500. I'm gonna get 6. And I'm gonna get 500. I'm gonna get $600. Do you want to do it? Sold it. $500.
82.
82 the buyer. 82. $500. Now we're on the stout. You're on the grapple bucket, Hal. The grapple bucket. You're buying a grapple bucket right here. Hydraulic hookups right here. Take it again about anybody get 500, 600, 7 now 8. I'm at 800. I'm gonna get 900. I'm gonna get $1,000. Now 11, 12. I'm at 1,200. I'm gonna get 13, 14. I'm at 15, 16, 17. Did anybody get 1,800? I'm gonna get 19. Did anybody get 2? I'm at $2,000. 2 to bid. I'm at 21. I'm at $1.21. 1 to bid. I'm at $1.21. I'm at $2,000. 21. I'm at $1 now 21. I'm at down 22. 2 to 3. I'm at 23. I'm at 24, 25, 26. 600. I'm gonna get 5 and now 6. 600. I'm gonna get 5 and now $600. Do you want to do it? I'm at 2,500. I'm gonna get 6. 6 to bid. I'm at 2,500. I'm gonna get 26. 600. I'm gonna get 500. I'm gonna get 6 and a bit of bone in. $2,500. Sold it. 82 the buyer. 82 the buyer. All right, now we're over to the rock bucket. Buying the rock bucket right here. Take it again. Buying a rock bucket. Oh my, take it again. Somebody get 500. Out of the 500. Other bit get 5. Give 5. Give 100. Out of the 100. Out of the 1 to bid. Out of the 100. Other bit get 1 to bid and a half. Out of the 100. Now 50. Out of the 100. Out of the 50. 50 to bid. Out of the 100. Other bit get 150. Out of the 1 half and now 2. 2 to bid. Out of 200 and a half. I'm a 2 and a half and now 3. 3 to bid. I'm a 300. Other bit get 3. You want to get 300. Other bit get 3. You want to get 300. I'm a 300 right in front of you. Now 300. Ow, right in front of you. $300. 3 and a half. I'm a 3. 3 and a half. I'm a 3. 3 and a half. I'm a 3. 3 and a half. I'm going to get 3. 350. I'm a 300 and a half. I'm a 3. You want to get 3 and a half. I'm going to get 3. You want to get 3 and a half. I'm going to get 3. 350. I'm a 300 and a half. I'm going to get 3. 350. Anybody else? Sold it. $300. 118, isn't it?
118.
118 the buyer. Now we're on a Meyer Snowplow, pal. On a Meyer Snowplow. Right here. Take it again. Bond it. Everything at 300. I'm a 300. Other get 3. Give 100. I'm at a 100 and a half now. 2 to bid. I'm a 2 and a half now. 3. I'm a 3 and a half. I'm at 4. 4 and a half. 5. I'm at a 500 and a half. I'm at a 550. I'm at a 500 and a half. Even to get 5. Even to get 5 and a half. Even to get 550. I'm at a 500 and a half. I'm at a 5 and a half. Even to get 5. Even to get 5 and a half. Even to get 550. I'm at a 500 and a half. I'm at a 5 and a half. Even to get 5. Even to get 5 and a half. Even to get 550. All in and all done. Sold it. $500.
82
the buyer. 82 the buyer. Right here. Take it again. About it. Now we're up to the trailer. Now we're up to the trailer. It's a 1998. Pull up just a hair. Marion. And then we'll sell the chain. The items that are on top of it do not sell with it. They do not sell with it. Buying the trailer right here. Take it again to buy an Nixonite here. It's in Indiana. That's good. Oh my, that's good. Now take it again to buy an Nixonite here. Here we get there. Now take it again to buy it. We get 3,000. I'm a $3,000. Get 500, $600, $700. Out of it get 800. I'm at 800. Out of it get 9,000. I'm a $1,000. Out of it get down to bid. I'm a $1,000. Out of it get down. Out of it get $1,000 ramps and all. I'm a $1,000. Out of it get 1,250. I'm a $1,000 now. 12, 12 and a half. I'm 1,100. Out of it get 11. Now 11. Now 12. Out of it get 12 and a half. 15. 15. Do you want to do it? I'm at 1,500. Out of it get 15. 17 and a half. I'm at 15. 17 and a half. Out of it get 17 and a half. 2. I'm at 22 and a half. I'm at 22. 2 and a half. I'm at 2 pounds. Out of it get 22 and a half. 5. I'm at 25. 5 to bid. I'm at 22 and a half. 25. 7 and a half. I'm at 27.50. Do you want back in there? 27 and a half. That's where I'm at. 2,500 now. 7 and a half with the glasses right here. 27 and a half. You're out. I'm at 27 and a half now. 3. I'm at 3 pounds. Out of it get 3. 3 to bid. I'm at 27 and a half and now 3. I'm at 3 down. Out of it get 3. 3 to bid. I'm at 27 and a half and now 3. I'm at 3 down. Out of it get 3. Do you get 3? Do you get give 3,000, sir. $3,000. I think he should. Does he want to give 28? I'm at 27 and a half. 28. I'm at an $8 now. 8. I'm at an $8 now. 9. I'm at 29. I'm at an $8 now. 9. Time to bid. I'm at 29. Daddy would give 8 now. 9. I'm at 29. Daddy would give 8. 9. I'm at 29. 9 to bid. I'm at 29. Daddy would give 8 now. 9. I'm at an $8 now. 9. I'm at 28. 29. Daddy would give 8 now. 9. Daddy would give 2900. Daddy would give 8 now. 9. Do you want to do it? Sold it. $2,800 on the floor. $2,800. 120 to buyer. 120. All right, now we're up to an AMO landscape trailer. Oh my, look at it there. Items on it. It's a 2002. The items on it do not sell with it. Items on it do not sell with it. Oh my, look at it there. Now take it again about an Axle-Tandem here. Here we get there. Now take it again about an Axle-Tandem there. And somebody get $1,000. The spare tire goes with it. I'm at a $500. I'm going to get $600. I'm going to get $700. I'm going to get 8. Now 9. I'm at $9,000. I'm at $1,000. I'm going to get 900. $1,000. Now 11. Now 12. I'm 11. Now didn't even get 1,200. I'm going to get 11. 12. I'm 11. Now 12. 13. I'm at 1,300. I'm going to get 12. 13. I'm at 1,200. I'm going to get 1,300. I'm going to get 13. 1,400. I'm going to get 14. I'm at 13. 14. I'm at 1,400. I'm going to get 13. $1,400. Nice little trailer. I'm at 1,400. I'm at 1,400. 13 and a half. 14. I'm at 13 and a half. And now 1,400. I'm going to get 14. Do you want to do it? I'm at 13 and a half. 14. I'm at 1,400. I'm going to get 13 and a half. And 1,400. I'm going to get 14 and a half. I'm at 14 and a half. Yes, I would. I'm at 14 and a half. Yes, I would, my friend. I'm at 14 and a half. I'm going to get 15. I'm at 1,500. I'm going to get 15. I'm at 1,500. I'm going to get 15. I'm at 14 and a half. And now $1,500. Do you want to do it?
15, man. 15.
Sold it. 1450. Sold it. 1450.
What is it?
118.
118.
Isn't it? 118. Now we're up to a 1997 Valley dump trailer. All right, now take it again. That's good right there, Marianne. Oh my, to give it there now. Take it again about an Nixon at 10. Somebody give 8,000. How about 8,000? That everybody get 3,000. $4,000. I'm a 3,000. That everybody get 4 to bid. I'm a 3,000. That everybody get 4,000. I'm a 3,000. That everybody get 4,000. That everybody get 40. I'm gonna get 4. I'm at a 4,000. That everybody get 4 to bid. I'm a 3,000. That everybody get 4,000. That everybody get 40. I'm gonna get 4,000. That everybody get 35. I'm a 35. 70. I'm gonna get 35. I'm a 35. 3,000. I'm a 35. How to bid now 4. I'm at a 4,000. That everybody get 37 and a half. I'm a 35. 37 and a half. I'm a 35. 37 and a half. That everybody get 37. 50. I'm a 35. 37 and a half and now 4. I'm at a 4,000. That everybody get 4 to bid. I'm at a 4,000. That everybody get 4. Give 4. Look at it again. That everybody get 4,000. That everybody get 40. I'm gonna get 4. I'm at a 4,000. 42 and a half. I'm at a 42. 2 and a half. I'm at a 4,000. That everybody get 42. Do you want to get 2 and a half? Everybody get $4,000. 42 and a half. I'm at a $4,000. 42. 2 and a half. I'm at a 4,000. That everybody get 42 and a half. 45. I'm at a 45. How to bid. I'm at a 45. I'm at a 43. Does he want to do that? 43. 43. 44. I'm at a 43. 44. I'm at a 43. 44. I'm at a 43 and 44 and bid. And do you want to get 44? 5. I'm at a 45. How to bid. I'm at a 45. And do you want to do it? I'm at a 45. I'm at a 45. I'm at a 44. 5. I'm at a 44. 45. I'm at a 44. 45. 4 and a half. You want to do that? 44 and a half. I'm at a 44 and a half. 45. I'm at a 44 and a half. 45. I'm at a 45. How to bid. I'm at a 45. I'm at a 44 and a half. And do you want to get 45? I'm at a 45. How to bid. I'm at a 44 and a half. And do you want to get 45? I'm at a 45. Do you want to get 45? I'm at a 45. And I'm at a bone in. Here we go. 45. Sold it. 44.50. 44.50. 137 to buyers. 137. 137. All right. Lot 28. Hit switch. That's good. The A220 for 2,300, isn't it? 2,300. It's a 2,300 with a hoe, with an A220 hoe. All right here. Take it again. About an Nixon out here. Here we get there now on a ditch wedge. Oh my, take it there. And somebody get $5 grand. How about if I found that everybody get 5? It is a gas. How about if I found that everybody get 5? 2,000. That everybody get $1,000. 1,500. How about if 1,500? How about if 15? How about if 15? 2 to bid. And now 25. How about 25? How? Need your help here. 25 Pepsi can. How about 25? How to bid? How about 2,000? That everybody get 25. How about 25? How to bid? How about 2,000? That everybody get 25. 3. I'm a 25 and now 3 to bid. I'm a 3,000. That everybody get 3. Do you want to get 3,000? That everybody get 25 and now 3,000. I'm a 3,000. That everybody get 3 to bid. I'm a 3,000. That everybody get 25 and now 3,000. That everybody get 3 to bid. I'm a 25 and now 3,000. That everybody get 3 and a bit of a bone in. How about 27 and a half? How about 25 750? How about 25 and now 7 7 and a half? How about 25 7 and a half? Do you want to do it? How about 25 27 and a half? How about 25 27 and a half? How about 25 750? All in and all done. I'm a 25 26. How about 2600? How about 25 and now 6 600? How about 5 and now 6? How about 25 and now 600? How about 5 and now $600? Do you want to do it? Sold it your way, Hal. $2,500. What is it? 47. Right here, take it again, about an Nixon out here, here we get there now, what do you want to do? Oh my, take it right here, here we get there now, take it again, about an Nixon out here, somebody get 3,000, I'm $1,000, 12 and a half, I'm $1,000, that everybody get 12, 12.50, I'm $1,000, that everybody get 12, 12 and a half, gas again, I'm a 12 and a half, I'm $1,000, that everybody get 12, 12 and a half, how, I need you over here, 12 and a half, I'm $1,000, that everybody get 12, 12 and a half, I'm 11, 12, now 13, I'm a 13, 13, I'm a 13, 14, I'm a 14, do you want to get 14, do you want to do it? I'm a 1,300, I'm going to get 14, I'm a 1,300, I'm going to get 1,400, I'm going to get 13, 14, 1,500 blue hat, how? Valvoline blue hat, $1,500. How about a 14, 15? How about a 1,500? I'm going to get 15. How about a 14, 1,500? I'm going to get 15. How? Right there, blue hat says Valvoline on it. $1,500. Standing right beside a guy with a Hereford cow on. $1,500 you want in there? Guys, here's a little trencher worth of money. $1,500. How about a 1,500? How about a 15? How about a 14, 15? How about a 14, 15? How about a 15, 15? How about a 1,500? How about a 15? Let's try it. Did we get 15, 16? How about a 15, 16? How about a 15, 16? How about 1,600? 1,700? How about a 17? Do you get 17, 18? How about an 1,800? How about a 18? How about 17, 18? How about an 18? Do you want to do it? How about 17, 18? How about an 1,800? How about a 18? How about 17, 18? How about a 18? All in and all done. Now 19. Now 19. How about an 19 to bid? How about an 18, 19? How about an 18, 19? Do you want to do 18 and a half? How about an 18, 50? How about an 18 and a half? And now I don't know. Did you get 18 and a half? How about an 1,800 and a half? How about an 18? How will you think about that? 18 and a half. How about an 1,800? Okay. How about an 18 and a half? I'll trust both of you. 18 and a half. How about an 8? Don't trust one of you, but I'll trust both of you. 18 and a half. Now you think he'd be in 18 and a half? How about an 1,800 and a half? How about an 1,800 and a half? How about an 18? Do you want to get 18 and a half? Does he want in at 1,800 and a half? Anybody else? Sold it, $1,800 on the internet, $1,800. It is 335 789. 789. Going to West Virginia.